Okay, so we're doing 2 3-pound packages of bees today. Lost all the bees last year. So I'm gonna pull out, I'm gonna smoke them a little bit just to, since I got the smoker ready. Pull them down a little bit. We're gonna do, I'm gonna pull out the sugar can. I'm gonna pull out the queen. We're gonna strap the queen into this rubber band on this frame here. Got a pollen patty. Got 2 frames of honey from last year from the hives that died. 1, 2. Leave those in here. We've set the level on the hives to be about 1 to 2 degrees down, so if any water gets in here, it drains out. I'm going to start by smacking these guys down to get them off of the can here, so when I pull it out, it's not loaded with bees all over the can. I'll do it over here. Like so. That gets their attention. I'm going to pry up the can. This is the only time I really work without a full suit on. Now you got to hold the queen when you pull this out. You do see a little burr comb on the side of there. This could be an adventure. Because the queen will fall inside. Okay, so I'm going to take her first. And we're going to take this little wood peg out of the bottom. Now you see there's a wood peg in the bottom, wood peg in the top. Done this before where I take the wood peg off the bottom. Don't do that. I'm going to take it off the top. And she has to get freed by her friends, the workers. It's not coming out well. I got a screw here, hold on. Take it, actually it's a cork here. Take that cork out. So that cork's out, now you got a little candy there. There's the queen, and she's got a white dot on her, so that's the year ending in a 1, and it's like maybe 5 and 7. So now we're gonna take her, and we're gonna put her inside of here, facing up. So if there were any dead bees that were to fall in there, they'd fall down and she'd still be able to get up. Worker bees will now free her by eating away at that candy. And in here, okay, this is the part that's not for the faint of heart. We're gonna jam them down, loosen them up, jam them the other way, and dump them in here. And hopefully there's not a lot of burr comb in here. They're not gonna sting me or my videographer, Mark. And then I just put the empty unit. Yeah, I'm getting some. Couple angry bees on me. Flick them off. I got one inside my shirt here. On my neck.
Looks like a spine, maybe.
Yeah, pull that out of there.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Okay.
I didn't do it, bees. Wasn't me.
I'm putting the veil on for the next one. Okay, now we're gonna put in. I'm gonna put in here a couple frames here. That's good. We're in. Now I'm going to put the top on. Should have known when I saw that door coming. so happy I got the smoke already. It'll take a lot more painful. Notch up. And our top. That's it. I got tagged about 2 times, one from the top, one from the side of my neck.
I'll stop and restart.
They were, see the, yeah, we stop, yeah.